Hi, I'm Jenny from REAX, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to perform inspections and assign locations to kit using Scannable. If you're completely new to Scannable, you can find a fundamentals video through the link in the description. So let's go over how to perform an inspection. First, perform a thorough physical PPE inspection. Then scan the item in question, go to Options, Inspect, and then you can mark the item as safe to use, failed, or quarantined. You also have the option to add images, either from your gallery or using your phone's camera. This is strongly recommended, especially if there are notable comments about the item. Comments can then be explained in further detail in the Notes section at the bottom. To assign a piece of kit to a location, simply access the equipment through your Scannable app and select Options and Assign to Groups or Team. Find the Location field and select the location you would like to assign the kit to. Finally, select Done. So, now you know how to perform inspections and assign locations using Scannable. For further instruction on how to use Scannable, you can find more videos in this series.